Stockton, Illinois. The city is about 2 hours west of Chicago. We're out in the middle of the plains. Just thousands of acres of open terrain here, and the winds. You can hear the winds. The winds get pretty fierce. A lot of times 50, 60 miles an hour. And that affects the type of components that we use on the building. It affects the erection process. This building is about 25,000 square feet. For the place where it is, it's got R-panel siding, R-panel roofing. If you look inside, you can see everything is covered in white. It has a very thick insulation, about an R40 insulation in the roof. There are 2 layers of fiberglass and a layer of vinyl, and the same in the walls, 2 layers of fiberglass and a layer of vinyl. The temperatures out here in the plains get down to minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 sometimes. But inside it's nice and toasty warm, even though it's the middle of the winter right now. It's got a 100-foot clear span. You can see that provides a lot of just clear open space for all of this farm equipment. The walls are 24 feet high at the eave. It's a fairly simple metal building that's inexpensive per square foot. A lot of people wonder about the cost per square foot. That is a changing target. This month, a lot of manufacturers are going a little bit up in price because labor costs, transportation costs have gone up. Material hasn't gone up that much, but it's always a moving target. Where we used to be able to put these buildings up 30 years ago for $10, $12 a square foot, now that price is double, triple, sometimes 4 times that amount, depending on what factors affect the price. Like insulation, this one has a lot of insulation. It takes more time to put in all of that insulation. It has to be done while the siding and roofing is going on. It also has a long clear span, which means it's going to use probably a little more weight per steel for the square footage. The side walls are pretty normal for a metal building, 24 feet high. All of these things affect the price. The siding and roofing are an R panel, which is probably the least expensive siding and roofing that can be put on. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. I'm an architect and contractor. I design and build these buildings across the United States. Call me about your next project. I'll help you make it happen.